Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you one of our pre-owned boats. This is a 2014 205 Sport by Sea Ray Boats. First thing I want to point out is the large sun pad area in the back. One of the most unique features to this boat is a lot of people don't want to step on their seats and tear them up as they're walking through. So Sea Ray designed this seat to where it lifts up and you have this walk-through area right here. In addition to that, it has a step down right here as well. It has a nice magnet to keep it in place when you're not using it. Next thing I want to point out to you guys is this is a freshwater boat. Look how clean this 4.3 Mercury Mercruiser motor is. Zero rust on it, very clean, freshwater use only. Has a Alpha 1 stern drive on the back. Next, going up to the helm, we do have all these gauges. It has the chrome trim. It has a shift button right here, charging station. It also has tower lights that are right here. It's like docking lights, but just a little higher up. It's definitely convenient. We have two glow boxes right here, and both the captain and companion chairs have flip-up bolsters, so you can sit a little higher and look over the windshield if you'd like. This boat does come with carpet for the entire boat. Has a full mooring cover as well. Coming up to the front of the boat, we do have this large bow area. You can sit a few people comfortably. This boat is rated for 10 people, so it's definitely a good starter boat and get you out on the water and have some fun with your friends and family. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.